Welcome, my people. Dancehall skilla there again, you know. Yeah, big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, my people, so I'm going to present a video to you. That video shows a sad situation. You see me? Yeah, a really sad situation. You can hear like maybe one or at least one person somewhat crying. So this video shows when a certain amount of persons confronted a representative of a funeral home in viewers and subscribers. You see me? Now, allegedly, it is said that those persons confronted the representative of the funeral home because the funeral home delivered the wrong body to a funeral that was being held. And allegedly, it is said that the funeral home cremated the body that should have been brought to the funeral in the first place. And it is said that the whole thing is an accident. You understand, my people? So go and take a look at this video and tell me what you think. And harsh language I've been using in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe with me.
I still take pictures.
Observe with me.
We're going to have a picture if anybody come back to that.
Not tell.
They know.
They may know.
It could be a mix-up again.
First thing I did after I talked to my staff.
Sad, just listen to people.
Diane, who Diane was supposed to be when your cremated.
So that's what I'm saying. All that I still have to find out. So first thing I did was call you all when I just talked to my staff.
So you're just go now. So what for father?
You were cremate me here, you know.
It's in our box. And if you can request to see it and know it's a wrong person because they do shit in the back there, right? You're putting up the body halfway, so you don't want them to see the face and you tell them say that's the person. That is what's going on inside here. But then it got because it went on so today. It went on so today.
That is because they made a mistake and decided what to talk.
Yeah, and one of them should get fired.
That's something very wrong which I have to deal with too.
Because that's going to take you to legal action now.
Yes, and I have to have consequences. It is going to go that
Right?
direction.
I have to go now. And I don't even know that my suspicions.
My first concern now is that situation has already happened. How it is going forward because we have a funeral service planted.
What?
Let me tell you something, eh? Let me tell you something. I don't care about funeral service right now. Because as far as I'm concerned, I don't have a sister in a box to go in the funeral church and say, this is Diane Williams. I have a fucking ball of ashes. Right? I have a fucking ball of. How I can stand up in the church now and tell everybody, well, we do reverse. We burn the body first, then bring the ashes in the church. How are you going to tell them that?
Anger, me I tell you.
I can't even fucking bury my sister. I can't bury she fucking ashes.
So, okay, another option. I mean, everybody else here. If it is you want us to carry a casket, and casket, we can do that.
Okay, empty casket. Okay, empty casket.
I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm just trying to and I apologize.
Just to show them a casket.
He said the urn. He didn't want to carry the urn. So I say that.
You want to have a body one?
To know that they are.
Yeah, already. Yeah, we know that.
You finished with that already?
I tell you.
You promised to stop it.
Alright, so hear me. We the family would like to know that person who Diane was supposed to be.
Exactly.
We need to know.
So that family don't know.
That they bring the wrong person.
Okay.
We can't come back to. You know this is staying so, right? Definitely not staying so.
Yeah, that's so unreasonable now.
Definitely not staying so.
Just take me.
So who that person there?
It have no excuse to go there. It have none. Put yourself in our position. How you wanna like that? You wanna like that?
That is why I'm not
In like 10 minutes.
and I tell you all immediately as soon as I find out because I
But when it came in the first place,
How much money all you pay for this whole funeral?
Somebody.
Huh? $37,000.
27.
$27,000. I'll give you our next body.
Rules and regulations for your employees to follow, right? They came with a wrong body with a tag. So therefore they knew their mistake before.
Yes.
They know their mistake. It have nothing to take a comfort any of us now.
Tell the hide up.
I'm telling you my principle, right? My
Principal, my ass.
Everybody that you're dealing with, you deal with is if you love them.
Yeah, listen. Yeah, listen what I go on, people. So, you have persons who might feel a situation like this is a cover-up for whatever mistake happening by giving the wrong body. There are people who might think so and might feel so. For people, think about it. Just think about it, people.
I don't even care about what happened in the past. I just care about this significant factor about whole body missing. Especially when we have traumatic death for her. On top of that, when they want you to look for her, how they ask Denny her, I don't even know.
And then first me hear about a situation like this still. But at first me I see a video where persons directly confront a representative for the funeral home like this. And the first? Yeah man, I think so. I wonder how that the manager they feel.
We don't know what they do. They don't know what they do.
So they try to come. Yeah, so if you just take it and
Yeah,
go,
because someone you can have it.
what happened?
Oh, okay, that's all right.
They will notice. They will notice.
Only make a mistake and only get money for you mistake.
How that the manager they feel for that the funeral home.
I understand you can all that drama, but even so, right? A family didn't come and identify their relative, right? Diane was
How the management feel?
So how is it possible that they took out somebody else's body and sent it to get burned? That is my question.
That's the same thing I have to get.
See it?
Because what we do is we tag everything. We have a tag. There's a tag in the fridge. It's written in the book. We have a funeral book there with all the details.
That he came and she was in book too. He said, look at who signed it. I said, but this is Diane. I was here when she came. I came following her. I came here.
Same thing I asked. How does it happen? But I have to try and figure out how that happened.
The church call, right? He said, we will the memorial service to bring the ashes, and we'll do the memorial.
How that I go rectify? Can that situation even be rectified? Eh? Can that situation?
What happened there? The funeral service that they burn the wrong body for someone. Right? They burn the wrong body for someone. After a family paid almost $30,000 for a funeral, they burn the wrong body. So you all COVID people, make sure and identify your relative, your loved one body, because these funeral homes are running schemes and burning the wrong body for other people's body. So, don't know.
How that I go rectify viewers and subscribers? How? A big problem that for that funeral home, you know? Friends and families of whosoever died already are grief. And you hear some of the things that the man say in the video. You know what I mean? It just seems as if, I may be wrong, maybe I'm right, but it just seems as if the man would want the funeral service to continue the same way. It seems so. But the thing about it is, where is the body for that funeral? And you can hear it in the man's voice. It's like him feel away. Well, most likely you're going to, and you should, because this is something that shouldn't happen. This is something that shouldn't happen. people don't agree already and then this could happen to them. This a big problem for that funeral home. My people, tell me which country you think that video be recorded in. You understand? Yeah, I got information as to exactly where. So I say, but sometimes I love to leave a little puzzle to the thing. Yeah, you know what I mean? I mean, a lot of you, my viewers and subscribers, can just listen to the accent and know, where it happened, you see me? It's sad, you know? You see? Well, I don't know if I tell you, but I have some have to left this for people. And go up so them come to some form of solution, you know, where everybody can be okay. You see me? I say, and in a situation like that, I don't think everybody go totally alright. So until next time, I'm gonna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla. Entertainment.